Coinbase take a shot at OpenSea. MBA NFTs continue to grow even in the face of NFT bear market, and the Bored Ape Yacht Club is dethroned. This is your NFT Alpha update. Let's get it. Coinbase is dipping its toe to the NFT game, launching the beta mode of its marketplace this week, hoping to appeal to NFT noobs and addicts alike with its easy to use platform. Transaction fees will start with zero and increase over time at a low single digit fee. Users can use a Coinbase wallet or any other self custody wallet and even eventually able to purchase with a Coinbase account or a credit card. Coinbase NFTs will run on Ethereum or any Ethereum based collections like Doodles, World of Movement, and Azuki. But promises to make more blockchains will be available soon. They have plans for NFT drops with artists across the globe, hoping to become the platform where the next Bored 8 Yacht Club will take the NFT community to the stone. And the central part of Coinbase NFTs is its Web3 social marketplace. Like Instagram, users can create profile, showcase their NFTs, follow and interact with each other. Coinbase seeks to consolidate the NFT social media landscape that's currently spread across Twitter, Discord, and on the other platforms, and may be able to steal a little users' data along the way. But Coinbase NFT hope to eventually decentralize their social feature on chain. Most importantly, Coinbase NFTs promises not to moderate for NFTs on its marketplace unless isn't legal in the country where it being sold, claiming that it's not in the business of judging what's right and wrong. Will Coinbase stick to its promise to decentralize the social platform? Will freedom of speech will truly rule the marketplace? We will have to wait and see. But at least Coinbase is providing some old fashioned American competition to the vice grip of OpenSeas has on the NFT landscape. Speaking of Ethereum based NFTs, on Wednesday the NBA is began to pre-sell for 18,000 NFTs called the Association. Each of the 16 teams participating in the 2022 playoffs will be represented with 75 NFTs per player. According to the announcement, the association is a collection of dynamic NFTs that change in appearance over time based on team and players on court performance. The association NFTs are being issued in the blind mint, meaning that nobody knows which 2022 playoff players will receive prior to the reveal of April 22. So depending on how your player dunks, blocks or rebound, the NFTs images will change due to codes within the Chainlink Galaxy's smart contract. The NFT background and frame will also shift with the player team performance. Additionally, Chainlink VRF issued unbiased NFT assurance, aside with Ethereum gas fees. The association NFTs are free to mint, but each wallet is limited to a single token. With some of the NFTs received for MBA top shot holders, the pre-sales ends today. And the MBA finally revealed that the NFT art and with the tokens are now available on the NFT platform to purchase, including our buddy OpenSea. Although NFT mania has subsided slightly, demand for the sports NFTs has continued to surge with the increase in the player adoption and sponsorship agreements. The NBA Top Shot marketplace has seen massive growth, while other fantasy sports platforms have received record breaking on the seed funding. And it's a battle for the top spot on OpenSea as APE holders, so Moonbirds overtake the Bored Ape Yacht Club in floor price with $240 million traded within the 4 days of the launch. Moonbird minted in the April 16 with a crazy 2.5 ETH, which now seems like a bargain. Now the floor price coming in at 36 ETH at the time of the recording. Moonbird comes from the Proof Collective, a fully bossed group of entrepreneurs that includes the like of people, Gary Vee and others. Is this a top signal for NFTs? Or has the Moonbird given the NFT space some new wings to ride about the crypto bear market? Comment below, and that's all I got. Thank you.